Hello and welcome guys, I'm Shan and you're watching TrueFormation, and in this video we are going to discuss about the various ways in which you can check whether your mobile device is affected by a spyware or not. So the methods that I'm going to talk about do not require any kind of external tools or applications. All these methods just require is your time and monitoring skills. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first method, and this is the most commonly noticeable method, and that is your phone battery is draining a lot faster than it usually did. Now before you judge your phone, check the number of applications running in background, close them first if possible, and then try to monitor your phone. If you still feel that your battery is draining a lot faster than it usually did, then there is a high probability chance that some kind of malicious application is running in behind. Now the second thing is that your phone has become a lot slow. When you suddenly see that your phone is acting sluggish and uses way more resources even when there are no applications running in background, this is another sign that your device is hit by a malware. Now the third thing here is that this is an important method, by the way. This method is way more important, that you suddenly see a spike in mobile data usage even when you feel that your mobile shouldn't be using that much amount of data. Now it so does happen most of the time that your phones are on auto update, and so do check for your phones for auto updates. And if you still feel that your phone wasn't on auto update and you still see the spike on data, then there is a big probability, or I shouldn't say probability, there is 100% chance that the data is being used by a malicious software to send your data to the adversary. Now coming to the fourth one. The fourth option here is way more random in Android phones, and it's pretty much common. This is an adware, where in this fourth one you suddenly start to notice a strange pop-ups appearing on your screen, and this may be due to a lot of issues. Maybe you have clicked on wrong links, so never click on those pop-ups again. This is again a malware. Now the fifth one here is that your phone gets heated a lot. Well, phones do get heat up when you use it for long periods of time, or you are using most of its resources, or you are playing games and stuff. However, if your phone is getting heated even when you are not using your phone, or you are just using simple tasks on your phone, maybe you're using a calculator or you're browsing your gallery, and you still notice that your phone is getting heated up, then there is a good chance that there are some kind of applications running in behind, and these applications are obviously a malware applications or malicious applications. Now the sixth one here is that you suddenly see a lot of cryptic messages in your messaging box and you don't remember sending them. Now if this thing is happening in your phone, then there's 100% chance that there's a spyware in your phone and you should be getting rid of it. So that's it guys for the video. I hope you found this video to be informative, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and do comment down if I missed something. Till then, you were watching TrueFormation, and I hope to see you in the next one.